Are you on the hunt for a new place to call home? In this guide, learn how to get housing leads from Craigslist. Craigslist is a fantastic resource that many often overlook when searching for housing. Its extensive listings can provide the perfect opportunity to find your next dream home or investment property. However, with so many ads and constant updates, navigating Craigslist can sometimes feel daunting. Fear not. I'm here to provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to efficiently use Craigslist to find housing leads. Step 1. Set up your Craigslist search. Start by viewing Craigslist homepage and selecting your desired city or region. Once there, navigate to the housing section and refine your search using filters. Choose specifics like price range, number of bedrooms, or housing type to narrow down your options. Utilizing keywords in the search bar can also help target listings more accurately. For example, if you're looking for a furnished place, include terms like furnished apartment to refine your results further. Finally, save your searches by clicking the RSS feed for future access, ensuring you don't miss new listings. Step 2. Create alert notifications. Once you have refined your search criteria, it's time to automate your efforts. Unfortunately, Craigslist doesn't provide built-in alerts, but you can still create them with a few handy workarounds. Using a service like IFT, you can create notifications that alert you about new listings that match your criteria. Simply set up a filter using your Craigslist search RSS feed and have IFT send you alerts to your email or mobile device whenever a matching post appears. This way, you'll always be in the loop and ready to snag the best deals before others. Step 3. Efficiently analyze listings. When evaluating housing listings, be smart about your selection. Pay attention to the details provided in the ad, such as amenities, location, and price. Look at the posted photos critically. An image can speak volumes about the condition and quality of the property. If listings seem vague or have limited information, don't hesitate to reach out to the poster for further details. Develop a habit of bookmarking promising leads and organizing them in a folder or a document for easy reference and follow-up. Step 4. Connect with posters quickly. Once you've identified promising listings, promptly reach out to the posters. A swift response can give you an edge over other potential tenants or buyers. Use the email reply options provided by Craigslist or any contact details listed in the ad. Draft a concise and professional message expressing your interest and asking pertinent questions. Mention what attracted you to their listing and any specifics you may be looking for in housing. Also, be prepared to visit the property at short notice to assess if it meets your needs. Step 5. Stay safe and savvy. When dealing with online platforms like Craigslist, maintaining safety should be a priority. Beware of listings that sound too good to be true or posters who demand financial transactions before property viewings. Trust your instincts and conduct thorough research to ensure legitimacy. For in-person meetings, choose public or well-populated locations and take someone with you for added security. Staying informed and cautious can help you avoid potential scams and ensure a positive experience. Navigating Craigslist for housing leads is an art that, once mastered, can pave the way to discovering your perfect home. By setting up refined search criteria, utilizing alerts, analyzing listings effectively, and staying vigilant, you can efficiently sift through heaps of listings to find the gems. Remember, persistence is key, and with these steps, you're well on your way to finding quality housing leads from Craigslist. Get ready to unlock the door to your new home or investment opportunity. Happy hunting!